Why do you have to laugh?
I was yawning so big.
All right, so today we're making a chocolate peanut butter cup milkshake that has like 44 grams of protein in it. This is gonna be a single serve, but you could obviously double the recipe if you needed, or you could change the serving size and make it less for whatever your macros need to be for that day. So this is gonna be about 290 calories without the toppings. The toppings we're gonna add on separately. So you're going to need peanut butter cup halo top. You just need 1 serving of this, which is 64 grams.
And fun fact, you can make it without peanut butter halo top or the peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter protein. You can switch it up, make it with whatever protein you have, and change the halo top to like vanilla or just chocolate or strawberry, or you can go wild with like birthday cake.
Okay, so 1 serving of peanut butter halo top, and then we need 1 tablespoon, which is 5 grams of this Hershey's Special Dark Cocoa. It's unsweetened and it makes everything super good. Okay. Oh, got one. We're gonna need 32 grams of protein powder. This is my favorite. It is chocolate peanut butter, and it's delicious.
We're just hitting you with all the fun facts today. Fun fact, 1 scoop from the little scooper is usually never enough. So weigh your protein. That's what I was getting at. Didn't get to finish my thought.
Okay, fat-free Fairlife is next up, and you could use chocolate Fairlife and it would taste even better, but calories start to get pretty high whenever you use chocolate Fairlife. So I like to use fat-free. And that is about almost 7 ounces, which will be fine. All right, going to screw on my blade. I actually give it a little shake beforehand. Lock it into place, spin, power, and blend. Take our lid off. Sink. And then, in my opinion, the best part is the Ready Whip that goes on top. And the Hershey's Light chocolate syrup, because everything tastes better if it looks prettier, in my opinion. And there you have it. Quick and easy, under 300 calories, like 44 grams of protein. It's like my favorite thing to eat right before bed as my little macro nightcap. So y'all should try it out. Like Josh said, you can totally customize it, make it whatever flavor you want. All you really need is some Halo Top, whatever flavor, whatever corresponding flavor of protein powder, some milk, and some toppings, and you're good to go.